This is going to be a video tutorial on how to log out of the Twitter app using an iOS device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Twitter app. To log out of Twitter, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then you want to scroll down toward the bottom where you see it says Settings and Support and tap on that. Then you will tap on Settings and Privacy. And at the very top, you want to tap on Your Account. And then tap on Account Information. And right down here is the logout. You just tap on logout and it will ask you again, do you want to log out? And you go ahead and tap on logout again. That is how to log out of Twitter using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.